growing up in a neighborhood where the police siren was both a warning and a sign of hope. I, Thomas Carter, knew early on that I wanted to be on the side of justice. As the years passed and childhood dreams became real ambitions, the desire to put on the blue uniform and serve my community never wavered. Months of training, late-night study sessions, and relentless physical conditioning had prepared me for the final evaluations of the police academy. While I was confident in my physical and cognitive abilities, there was one test I approached with a hint of apprehension: the professional hearing test. My family had a history of hearing problems, and although I never had any noticeable challenges, the thought nagged at me. A mentor at the academy, sensing my discomfort, recommended the hearing clinic. Upon entering the clinic, I was greeted with warmth and professionalism. The staff, aware of the high stakes of my test, made sure I was comfortable and understood the process. As the audiologist walked me through the test, I could feel their genuine commitment to precision and excellence. After what felt like the longest minutes of my life, the results were in. My hearing was not average, it was exceptional. A wave of gratitude and relief washed over me. The team at the Hearing Excellence Clinic shared my joy, congratulated me on the results, and wished me success in my future career. Now, as I patrol the streets, engage with my community, and respond to calls for service, I carry with me not only the skills and knowledge from the academy, but also the confidence instilled in me by a dedicated team of professionals who understood the depth of my aspirations.